You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 23. Let's solve it step by step. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1 over 8x to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 124 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 23.